The FCF U.S. Quality ETF, TTAC, objective is long-term returns in excess of our benchmark, the Russell 3000, with less volatility, very simply, or alpha over our benchmark. Most people use the S&P 500 to invest, and they correlate very highly. So whether it's the S&P or the Russell 3000, our goal is alpha over the broad index with less volatility. But I think what truly makes us different is our laser focus on free cash flow versus earnings that most managers use. Earnings are more subject to manipulation, distortion versus cash statements, which are more reliable and are better predictors, according to our research, of long-term returns. We build portfolios of companies that have strong and sustainable profitability, and I think that's what truly differentiates us from the rest. 2022 has been just a brutal year for investors in stocks, bonds, and a volatile one for commodities. And the degree of difficulty for allocators has never been higher. Folks are in desperate need of pockets of relative strength, and by focusing on free cash flow with our transparent quantitative process, I think we have just the solution for this difficult environment. I think most folks use this as core with a quality tilt, particularly this free cash flow quality tilt in this very challenging macro environment. Just using last year as an example, we were able to generate pretty significant alpha versus the S&P 500, but we did that some 1,400 basis points underweight the mega cap tech names, which are so highly concentrated at the top of the passive core. So core with a quality tilt, pairing with some of the passive core portfolios. Folks who like to do factor investing, we have really delivered versus some of the simple smart beta solutions in the quality space. And then there's been a real movement into free cash flow, as you know. And most folks think of free cash flow, they think of free cash flow yield, which is very deeply rooted in the value factor. We're not value or core. We focus on companies with strong and sustainable profitability that tend to outperform throughout a cycle.